Unplug the machine. Lock the casters into place. Remove the catch tray by lifting up and pulling towards you. Remove the curling chain. Remove the catch pan mounting bracket. Loosen the black knobs and slide towards yourself. Remove the dough infeed chute. Loosen the black knob and pull upwards. Remove the infeed hopper assembly by turning the stainless steel knobs a quarter turn to the left. Grip the handles and gently rock the hopper assembly towards yourself. Removing the infeed tray, tilt upwards and pull towards yourself. Remove both front and rear scrapers. This is done by removing the spring from the spring tensioning pin. Remove the scraper blade from the aluminum scraper holder. Open the rollers to the maximum setting and wipe the dough rollers down with a soft, damp towel. Remove the molding plate by adjusting the molding plate assembly to its maximum position of 2. Remove the molding plate. Push forward and then pull towards yourself. Clean the conveyor belt using a dry, stiff nylon brush to loosen any dry dough pieces. A damp cloth can be used to wipe away any excess flour. Never clean the machine while it's operating. Remove the molding plate assembly. Lift the molding assembly up and slide it toward the end roller of the molder. Remove the conveyor belt. Release the locking latch located on the operator's side of the machine. Next, release the conveyor belt tensioning lock located on the non-operator side by pulling the black knob on the lever and lifting up. Align the conveyor belt with the openings in the molder frame located on the operator side and pull towards yourself. Wipe the machine frame with a damp cloth. Wash the curling chain, scrapers, scraper assemblies, catch pan, the catch pan mounting bracket, dough infeed chute, the infeed tray, the molding plate assembly, and conveyor belt with warm soapy water. Allow conveyor belt to air dry completely before assembly.